There are two ways to fix wipe data / factory reset option not available on your device. And before you proceed, make sure you have either an extra phone, a laptop, or a desktop. You need either of the three devices before you proceed. We have to factory reset this Samsung Galaxy A12, so this is our target. And we are going to use the other phone to reset Samsung Galaxy A12. So what you need to do is very simple. Go to Google Chrome, open Google Chrome normally, and search find my device. Just search find my device and click on the first link by Google, and you need to accept to the terms. So just accept to the terms, and you can see there are options: play sound, secure device, and erase device. So you can proceed and erase your device if you want it to be factory reset. And the target phone must be connected to internet. It must be online for the web data to occur. It has to be online. Please note, it has to be online, or else it won't work. You can either play sound, but that's not what we really want. We only want web data factory reset. And then this is method 2. You need to have a PC, a laptop, or a desktop. Then open some FW, the FRP tool, FRP tool. So you need this tool. Just open it normally, go and accept, and just wait a few seconds and it will open itself. Then there's this option, the second option, which states factory reset. Go ahead and click factory reset. You'll see something like this, something like this. Then please turn on the screen. Okay, make sure your phone screen is on. Just the screen should be on, and you can see the option here, phone factory reset, the phone factory reset. So you need to activate device admin application that has been sent to your phone through the software for this to work. So just go and click activate device admin, and once you activate device admin, your phone will be reset to factory settings. Thanks to this tool, it's very efficient, it's working 100%, and most of all, you don't need to turn off antivirus to be able to use this tool, and you just need to wait a few seconds for your phone to boot up. And normally during factory reset, all phones take long to boot, so we need to force restart the phone. And when I say force restart the phone, I mean you need to press the volume down button and the power button at the same time for a few seconds. Then your phone will power off. Then you have to power it on normally, and your phone will boot in few seconds. You need to press the volume up button and the power button at the same time for a few seconds, and your phone will power off. Then it will start. The phone will go black. Then power it on normally. You can power on normally. Just go ahead and press the power button, and your phone will power on normally. And it will take a few seconds. You just have to be patient. You just need to be patient. Just a few seconds and your phone will boot. And after it boots, your phone will be reset to factory settings. Once your phone boots up, you will reset to factory settings. Just need to be patient and wait a few seconds. Just a few seconds, almost there. We're almost there. Starting Android, and boom, welcome.